Welcome back, y'all. It's Kris with Curls with Kris, and today I am bringing you along with me to open up my December 2020 BoxyLuxe. So I don't know if you guys remember, the last BoxyCharm that I unboxed was for October and November, because for some reason October's got lost in the mail and then November's came super late. So I just smushed them all together and made one video. So this month, in my opinion, it's still coming late. Maybe mine just comes late. Mine just comes later on in the month, but whatever. This month I did get the super big BoxyLuxe box, and I have not opened it. All I did was cut the slit so that it will be easy to get into, and yeah, we'll see what we got together. I know BoxyLuxe tends to give a few more items and a few better items, so I'm excited to see what I got this month. The eye look that I did for this particular look right here is with a BoxyCharm palette. It was the Esmeralda palette, I think it was called, by Beauty Creations. So yeah, I'm excited to see what I'm gonna get this month that I can potentially be using in my beauty regimen. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and move on over to the video. But before we go, you know what time it is. It's time to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you don't miss a video in the future. I've been doing 2 videos a week, y'all, so you don't want to miss it. It's super fun, lots of informative stuff, a whole lot of hair stuff coming up. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and send me some comments. You know, I want to talk to y'all. I want to see what y'all want to see. I want to hear what y'all have to say. I want to hear it, y'all. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so here is the size of the box, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you. This is what we are working with. Okay. Let's see, let's take out our information card so I can know what to let you guys know, all the information, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing I got is the Avant Skincare Intensive Re-Densifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. This retails at $123, y'all. $123. So for those of you who are new, this BoxyCharm, this particular box is $50, and you only get 4 BoxyLuxes a year. So all the rest of the boxes are typically $25. The BoxyLuxe is $50. So this is MSRP at $123. So it says it's an ideal remedy against time. It's a moisturizer that aids to offer a complete response to signs of skin lacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combined with glycolic acid and mica to correct effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density. So yeah, I think I'll be using this because I'm it has shea butter in it. I am an arginine. I am for anything that's gonna help with anti-aging, because let me tell you something, your girl right here may look like it, but your girl ain't young. Okay. So it has glycolic acid, mica, arginine, urea, and shea butter. So that is the first item. All right, so the next item we got, just took it out of the plastic, is the iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. So this retails at $55, and I'm gonna link all of the products on the right side of the screen, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this looks like, oh, it's a face palette. So it looks like there's like bronzers and blushes in here. I don't know about these blush colors, they look a little light for me. I'll show you guys closer up as well. But I mean, I guess I could maybe use this one and some of these, but these are just a little bit too pinky for my liking. But you know, I'll try anything. I'll try just about anything once. And like I said, this retails at $55. So the next item that's on the top of the box is this. So I'm assuming, because it says Luxie, because the last time I got Luxie, they were makeup brushes. This is a suede case that it came in. This is the Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set. So yes, it's a brush set. MSRP on this is $85, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create the perfect holiday look. So let's open it up. Oh wow, look at this, y'all. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god. So this fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch, and it does seem like it would be easy to clean, which I said the last time was something that I truly look for in like makeup brush cases or like makeup cases, because I hate when they get all nasty and dirty on the inside. But that's neither here nor there. And this MSRP is at $85. Yeah, I'm in love with this. I love this little case. And they were super soft too. So let me show you what they look like actually before we move on. So this is a close-up of what they look like. And let me just take one of them out. So this is a highlighter brush. It's super soft. Can you see that? Yeah, I am in love. And it seems to have every brush that you would need to create a look. So that's helpful. Okay, what else is in here? So that's we've already seen 3 items. So the 4th item is the Lifestyle Co. 100% Natural Calming Temple Rub. What's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course, the super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. And let me tell you something, the holidays tend to cause me a little bit of anxiety. I try to have everything done early, but it never happens. So this would be ideal for someone when you're on the go. Oh my god, so it definitely smells like lavender, but there's definitely a hint of peppermint in here as well. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. And this is what the ball of it looks like. And this MSRP is at $24. So this is definitely something that I'll keep in my little pouch, in my purse. You know the pouch, ladies, they got all the essentials in it. This is gonna go in my purse in that pouch. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Okay, so the next thing is Beauty Co. The Original Glam Smile Kit. A teeth whitening kit, guys. I don't think you guys can see this, but it's a teeth whitening kit. I'll link it over here. Your Beaut OG Smile Kit Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. As soon as I get these braces off, y'all, this is gonna be lit. Do you hear me? Lit. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Beaut's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. And it does give me angel vibes. It's like clear and pink. I don't know if you can see it. There, that's a little better. I don't know. I'll link it. I'll link a picture to it over here somewhere. But yeah. So this retails at $89, guys. $89. I cannot wait to get my braces off so that I can use this. Hey, oh my god, it's still 3 products left. So this, I don't remember getting this many items in my last BoxyLuxe. I don't remember that, but. So the next item we have is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. And I had another product by Sunday Riley that I bought completely on my own that I love. So I'm very interested in seeing how this is going to work. And I'm not going to lie, this is going on my face tonight, okay? Because their products work really, really well on my skin. And I have combination to more on the oily side of skin. But this multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. That dark spots, they not my friend, y'all. They not my friend. So I need this. So this retails at $85. $85, y'all. And I know for a fact that if you did want to get this product, you can definitely find this at your local Sephora. The more items, guys. The next item that we have is the Rockins Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pen. This is what the packaging looks like. These retail at $40. and they gave me 3 colors. It looks like black glitter, green glitter, and blue glitter. Yes, and they're glitter gel pens. So I'm assuming they're for, you know, your eyelids, just to make your eyes pop. I probably could have used this today because I know you probably can't tell, but I do have a green on the top of my eyes. So this probably would have looked really, really pretty. These retail at $40. Get in a hot mess with Rockins Maxi Glitter Gel Pen Threesome. Choose one of these 3 in 10 shades: Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkly dance floor magic. That's gonna be me, y'all. These are so pretty. Okay, so let's put these back. I honestly, I think you would have to go on the website to purchase this because I haven't seen this in the store anywhere. But you know what? It's always the unexpected gems that really work their way into your beauty routine. Oh, the last and final item is let's take it out of the plastic. This is the Hipdot Palette. It's so pretty. And this retails for $30. C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. This is just a gorgeous looking case within itself. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C-Note, an homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes, shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Look at these colors, y'all. And I will put them up close, but aren't they gorgeous? And I love a palette that comes with a mirror on it, okay? Because you can do your makeup anywhere, child, anywhere. So these are we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. 8 products, y'all. 8 products. This was like totally unexpected. The theme for this palette was bubbles and glitz, so I'm guessing it's holiday themed so that you'll be ready for your Christmas, either Christmas Eve, Christmas, and New Year's Eve plans with this entire box. You gonna whiten your teeth, you got your makeup together, you got your makeup brushes, you got your face lotion. You set for the holidays. Wherever you're gonna be, you're set. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this box. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I am so close to my goal, y'all. So close to my goal, but you know what? We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. We got this. We got this. Y'all got me, right? Y'all got me. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video.